environment. Teachers facilitate learning and constantly nurture every learner. Administrators and staff as steward of the institution ensure an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged in shared responsibility for developing lifelong learners.
Very good.